Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about this new Telegram bot that just launched. It's called Sweetgram. So this bot, why I like it is that it has so many features where you can earn. You can also play with other users to earn more sweet. So sweet is the token that you are supposed to earn while mining. So when you register, you'll be given a free power to mine out sweet for you. So that sweet, you have to claim it. And the next thing is for you to check in daily. So this is the daily check-in. When you check in, you'll be given a power that will mine sweet for you. So the next one is the boost option. You can choose to boost your miner. So the prizes are given there. The next one is the game where you can play game, you can stake, play, and win reward. The second one is the PvP where you have to play with other player, gamble, just like you staking. So if you put the amount, then anybody that wins will go with the money. So they have a lot of game which we all know. These games are the games you already know. If you don't want to stake, you can just with both the CPU. You can play with the computer if you don't have anyone to. But the computer doesn't have any prize amount. They don't have any reward. So if you want to get reward from PvP, you have to play with other user, and you guys will put the amount that you want to wage with. After put the amount that you want to wage with, you will now. So the next one is the spin. So every day you'll be given free 3 spin. After the 3 spin, you can watch bonus, you can watch ad to get 3 ad to get another 3 spin for you to mine, for you to spin. So when you spin, you'll be given a reward. So let me spin. So I was given plus 50 power. So the more you spin, the more reward you get. Another 50 power. So the next one is the jawbreaker. This jawbreaker earns you, gives you reward while you are tapping. So the more you tap, if you're lucky, you can even get a golden ready. So let's say I have 2 jawbreaker left. So I will tap on it to break the. So I was giving plus 85 power. So this jawbreaker gives you more reward. I was giving 82 power. So the next one is the saga. For people that likes playing Candy Crush, this is for you. So all you need to do every day, you'll be given 10 plays. So the maximum to win is 200 sweets. So the entry fee is 50. So you just click on play sweets. So all you need to do is just match the. So here we have 2 sweets here. So you can just choose to swap it. Just look for anyone that is almost 3 to complete a 3 and get your reward. So after play, I was giving to 2 sweets as a reward. So the next one is the task. This is where you can complete the both task given to you. So when you do the task, you'll be given a reward. The next one is the advert. You can choose to place an advert so that people can also do your task. The next one is the invite. So when you invite people, you'll be given a reward also apart from the invite reward. So when you invite one person, you'll be given 100 power. When you invite 5 people, you'll be 600 power. So the more invite you get, the more power. The next one is the top, the leaderboard. This is where you can see people that are leveling up on the boat. The next one is the wallet. So here you can see the amount of switch you have and the amount of tone you have. The automatic connect is currently not working, so don't make use of it. This one is already not working, so you don't have to use it. The one you're going to use is the manual deposit. In case if you want to deposit for advert or you want to deposit for boosting or any other thing that you want to deposit for. So make use of the manual deposit with a given address, put the amount of tone that you want to deposit, then put what you are depositing for and attach the screenshot of the transaction. Submit it. They will work the listing for you. They will reward you or give you what you are asking for. That's so easy. Don't use the automatic deposit. It's currently not working before you lose your money. So the next one is the swap to tone. So you can swap your sweet to tone. And here you can withdraw your tone. Second one is for you if you want to pay for to remove something from your boat, you can pay to remove adverts in your boat. So here you can see the activities that you have been doing, the things you have been doing on the all the things you have been doing on the boat, you see it here. And you can also choose to lock it up. So you can choose to 4-digit pin or 8-digit to lock up your activity so no one can see it. So totally depends on you. It's not must. So another sweet feature on this boat is the settings. Let's go to the settings. Let's go back to mine. At the top here, you see the settings. This is it. So you click on it. So here you can choose to change the background of your boat. Choose anyone you want. You change the background. You can also choose to turn off the sound or the music in the background. Let's say I've turned off the music and let me change my background view. So I'll make use of this golden street. Now the let's go back to the boat. As you can see, my this thing have changed. So you can choose to change your background to your taste. That's the fun thing about this boat. The link of this boat will be on my description box. You can also join my Telegram channel for more updates like this.